I still haven't seen nobody take me up on my offer either. This actually happens to be South Philly or Dirtbike Rails neighborhood. Posted in the Philadelphia Creative Services.
And then I did a screenshot of the website so they can see my website.
Check it out. Shabam! We got the new joints right here. Like, duh, of course I make this shirt look good. If you haven't watched the very first vlog I wore with this shirt, it was the candy challenge. What I'm gonna do right here is crazy, but wait, there's more. That I did the vegan candy shake challenge. I still haven't seen nobody take me up on my offer either. Ain't no one post a video taking my vegan candy shake challenge. But anyway, yeah, I wore this shirt on that, and then, you know what I mean, I wore it 50 million other times later. But you know I make it look good. What's up, y'all? I'm out here on 5th Street. I'm about to grab some food. I posted today's vlog. I posted today's tour. I have the camera set up on the roof. I'm feeling good. We're gonna touch base on day 3 of advertising and promoting my video production business gigs. What I would like to do today is post a Craigslist ad. But y'all know I already dedicated a whole vlog to how to post a Craigslist ad, and I posted a video production ad on Craigslist. Showing your service, showing your skill, and put a number where people can contact you and hire you. So we're not really gonna go through the step-by-step procedure of me posting it. I show y'all the ad that I post. But what I wanna do today is introduce y'all to the app called LETGO. I wanna show you the potential opportunities you can use LETGO for, and I wanna post a video production ad on LETGO as well. Hey yo, I'm passing this bike shop in West Philly. Wolf Cycle Bicycles. I can't talk a lot because I'm capturing a tour. But check out that 2019 Beast Mode. Currently, I'm just driving around West Philly. I'm on Westminster, and this actually happens to be South Philly or Dirtbike Rails neighborhood. Some of y'all know him by Rails, some of y'all know him by South Philly Rails, some of y'all know him by Dirtbike Rail. Well, this was his neighborhood, yo. I think we can actually go through his blocks around the corner. This is actually a tour too. I'm doing a tour, so if y'all want to see a part 1 and part 2 of the West Philadelphia tour, make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when it drops, you can be the first to see it. And I'm pinning all first comments. So if you're the first commenter on any one of my vlogs, your comment getting pinned. We're on 49th Street right now. And check it out. Ogden Street. We're going down Rail Block right now. There goes a picture of him right there. It's crazy, right? He would have probably never thought all the days he was out here wheeling that his face would be painted up against that wall. And to think that these are probably all people who passed away. It sucks, guys. Sad, right? So part of today's advertising efforts was me posting an ad on Craigslist. Each ad is $5. So I just paid for the ad. Let me show you guys what the posting looks like. Go to my account. Here's the posting. The posting is going to expire 30 days from today. So we posted on October 3rd. It's posted in the Philadelphia Creative Services. And the posting title reads Music Video Deals, Weddings, Promotional Videos, and more on sale. And you can display, see what it looks like. Let's get in a real world idea of what it's gonna look like to the viewer. You can delete it, you can repost it if it expires, and you can edit it. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Check it out. So remember, posting on Craigslist is a very helpful way to get customers and clientele, because people still use Craigslist. It's pretty much an online classified. It's like a newspaper, but online.
Moving forward, it's 10:27 p.m. and I'm currently sitting in front of my iPhone looking at the LETGO app. The LETGO app is available for both iOS and Android applications. So I'm going to click the LETGO app. When I click the LETGO app, I'm going to get directed to the home page, which is a page that displays all the items that are posted in the LETGO community for sale. On the bottom, I'm going to see 5 icons: a home button, a bell, a camera, a message box, and a person icon. If you want to post an ad, a creative service, you want to click sell your stuff, and you're going to see 5 submenus or 5 categories. One's going to be cars, next is other vehicles and parts, next is services, then housing for rent/sale, and lastly other items. In your case, if you want to post a service ad, you're going to want to click services. I'm not going to click services because I already posted an ad, so I'm going to show you guys what my ad looks like. I'm going to go to the bottom right corner, and you guys see the little person. I'm going to click the little person icon, and I'm going to get directed to my profile page. This is my profile page. This right here is the actual post that I already created. It took me probably 3 to 5 minutes at most. This is the post. This is the pictures. You guys remember that I created this flyer. This is the flyer that I created with you on Monday. Well, this is where I was going to use it at electronically. So I posted that so that it can have the sale. And then I also posted screenshots of my YouTube, the YouTube music video playlist, in case a client wants to look at a portfolio. Here's my logo, my eyeball. And then I did a screenshot of the website so they can see my website in case they want to refer to it for more information. And then a couple more screenshots of music videos. Now you can also click the ad and click more info. And check this out. Ew. My post is hot. Y'all see that, right? That little fire emoji? Ew, my joint fuego. Your boy Toon is hot. Woo! Yeah, y'all see that? 15 minutes ago I posted this joint and it's cooking. That means that it's being viewed. Let's check it out. So the title reads music videos / video production services. HD music video packages start at $300. 4K Ultra HD music video packages start at $600. The back to school special that we got going on right now is $200. Look at the flyer attached to the post for more information. I have over 20 packages on my website to choose from. There is something for everyone's budget. That's true story, real rap, yo. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to afford one of Toon's videos. 50% down on any package that you choose locks in your date, and 50% is due when the final edit is complete. No exceptions. Business is business, bro. Contact me with any questions and or when you're ready to book. Yeah, boy. Contact me when you're ready to book, dog. Don't contact me with any questions. But yeah, yo. So check it out. That is the ad. You can edit it if you need to. Check it out. You can do any edits if you want to do edits. I didn't make any edits, so I'm going to click discard. You can share your listing, delete the listing. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's pretty much about it. It's free to create a LETGO account. It's free to post the ad. As of now, it's free. Remember how Craigslist was free and then they started charging? So I would take advantage if I was you. If you're a business owner, a skilled person, you do mechanics, you do hair, you do any type of service, whether it's refrigeration, whatever you do, welding, I don't care what you do. Post an ad on here. It might be worth it. You might make some extra chump change. You feel me?
Last update of the day is this joint. I know y'all remember that I designed that flyer, right? Remember the original prototype? How it was running off? Well, guess what? Check it out. Shabam! We got the new joints right here. Hot off the press. Fresh boys on deck. And y'all see it, right? Remember I was talking about that dead space up top? How I didn't like that dead space? Well, guess what? Since I evened it out by changing my little tear off box, you see right here? Y'all see the little tear off, right? It works so perfect. You see that? It worked great. Like, it was just what we needed. And it's in black and white. It has all the essential information that we need. I adjusted some font a little bit. You know, we got the social contacts, the social handles there. And it's looking good. It's looking a lot more presentable. And I'm actually happy with the way it looks. And if you want to see how I'm going to incorporate them, make sure you come back to tomorrow's vlog, yo. Tomorrow, we're going to put these joints to work.